you looking for more lizards?
One under that box.
He's under the box? For everyone saying we need PPE, we hear you. Nick has bought himself some safety sunnies, so, and some earplugs, so we should see an improvement in his behaviour. Now that all the drywall's down, Nick was looking to get these steel beams down, open the ceiling up. The plan is to rake the ceiling in the main living area. In order to do that, we need to get all these beams out of the way. Once this is all out the way, we'll look to resheet the roof. Feel like it's too deep.
No, well, it'll just be a sheet of drywall straight onto the... Careful, you.
I'll replace it if I do. Yeah, it's literally just right there. Just a sheet just stuck right on top. What Nick's doing here is just pulling this drywall off. We just wanted to see sort of how thick the current drywall is, and it appears that it's just been sort of plaster glued straight to the original brick. So you can see that's the brick, red brick at the door frame, and behind this render here is the stone. So it's just a sheet of drywall, sheet of render, and straight onto the stone and brick. So we'll just be able to drop the wall straight in front of that and reveal a bit of that lovely red stone underneath for the bookcases. Well, that's 3 people that have been on your hit list. You've tried to kill me. You tried to drop a thing on Tatey earlier. You just tried to take locks out. You're gonna have to start setting up like a witch zone, some like bunting.
Like a drop zone?
Yeah.
Like you're doing crane works?
Yeah, it almost seems like there's a reason for drop zones.
Yeah. Well.
Really pretty over here right now. It's at sunset. Right between the trees. And it glows all the way over there, and then it goes round to our little view over this way of the little mountains, which we're hoping in time, where the shipping container is, we want to put an outdoor barbecue in, and trying to convince Nick that we need a cheeky little swim spa, because then you see over there the little mountains are all glowing. Gives quite a pretty little view. It'd be nice to have somewhere to sit and really soak that in. So yeah, it makes really pretty colours over the paddock, and then same with that way, it's really pretty colours. Thanks to everyone that's joined us for our second episode. If you're here for the first time, welcome. Thanks for tuning in. We really appreciate everyone taking the time to watch our journey along with us.
Hopefully we have some construction coming up and not just me committing OH&S crimes. So a bit more demo to go, but hopefully not long, and we'll start building the wall, which will support the new roof, and if the weather plays nice, start doing some stuff in the backyard and some more landscaping around the place hopefully soon.
Got some plans for some bathrooms, potentially look to rip the kitchen out and start to build a kitchen. So hopefully what is currently a very empty space starts to feel
Less empty.
and more homely. So if you're interested in seeing how that comes along and what it looks like in the end, please like, subscribe. Thank you to everyone that already has subscribed. If you don't want to, that's fine too, but thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Thanks, bye.